Myself Himanshu Singh, roll number 36, and my project is on railway waiting list management system using priority queue. Here I am dividing the sheets into four parts: confirm sheet, other quota sheet, waiting list, RAC list. Here waiting list and RAC list are implemented through priority queue, and here other quota sheet is available for only VIPs and foreigner. In the waiting list, it accepts two variable. First is integer type, which is used to store the priority, and second one is string, which is used to store the passenger name. RAC accept three variable. First is used to store the priority, and rest of two is used to store the passenger name. In RAC seat, we have to allocate two passenger at one seat. Here is a train, is an object of that class, and here is a function install. Firstly, we have to install the train. We have to enter the train number, pilot name, arrival time, departure time from to. Then it call the empty function. Initialize all the variables like confirm vacant seat, RAC vacant seat, other quota sheet, and waiting list sheet. Here confirm sheet and other quota sheets are empty now. And the next function is allotment. Allotment function is used to allotment of the seats. Firstly, passenger have to enter the train number, and then in the enter train number is correct, or if the enter number is correct, then we move forward. We check the all the confirmed seats are booked or not, and also check for RAC, and then a message display, and we are asking with the passenger, are you VIP or foreigner? If you VIP, then press 1. If the passenger is VIP, then he belongs to other quota sheet, and we asking with the passenger, enter your seat number. Then the seat, if the seat is empty, then the seat is allocated to that particular passenger. If the seat is not empty, this the message display, this seat is already reserved. Otherwise, if the passenger is not VIP or foreigner, it means he belongs to confirm sheet. And confirm sheet also work as other quota sheet. And if the confirm sheet are full, if the seats of confirm sheet are full, then passenger move to the RAC list. If the RAC list RAC seats are full, that passenger move to the waiting list. The next function is show. So his function is used to show the list of passenger. Firstly, we have to show the confirmed seats, then other quota list seat, and then RAC list, then waiting list. Cancel ticket function is used to cancel the ticket. Ticket is cancelled in only two seats, other quota sheet and confirm sheet. Here we have to enter the train number in which we have to cancel the ticket, cancel the seat, and then I'm asking with the passenger, are you VIP or not? If the passenger is VIP, then he belongs to other quota sheet, and then I'm asking with the passenger name, passenger's seat number, and here his name, and then I'm compare name with the already reserved seat. If the given passenger number name is correct, then the seat will be deallocated. Otherwise, this message is display, thus this seat is not belongs to you. If the passenger is not VIP, then he belongs to confirm sheet. Then this is also work as uh, other quota sheet. And finally we have to call the final allotment function. In final allotment function call when all the cancellation and booking of the seats are done. In the final allotment function, the empty seats of other quota sheets and confirm sheet are allocated by passenger of RAC, then waiting list of passenger.
Myself Chandrahas Patel. Our project name is Waiting List Management System. We made this project in C++ language using standard template library Priority Queue. By using this system, we manage the passengers who do not have confirmed seat. So the complete code is on the screen. You are already familiar with this project. So we start the working of the system. The project is run successfully. Firstly, we upload the train. Press 1. Enter train number 123. Pilot name Harry. Arrival time 11 p.m. Departure time 4 p.m. From Patna to Agra. Late we have two confirmed seat, one VIP seat and one RAC seat in this train. In reservation part, choose 2. Enter train number 123. If you are VIP, then press 1, otherwise 0. Enter seat number 1. For passenger name Lokesh. And seat number 2 is passenger name Malvi. Here all confirmed seats are booked. And press 1 for VIP seat. Enter seat number 1 for Ram. If we want to book more seats, repeat the above process. Similarly, press 1. Passenger name Pawan. And Mahak. Now we see the following. Now we see the booking system. Press 3. Enter train number 123. Here seat 1 for Lokesh and 2 for Malvi and 1 VIP seat for Ram and RAC seat for Pawan and Mahak, and other passengers are waiting list. After then we want to cancel ticket for seat 1. Press 5. Enter train number 123. Enter seat number 1. Passenger name Lokesh. If both are matched, then cancellation successful, otherwise not. We see again the booking page. Choose 3. Enter train number 123. Here 1 for cancel. Seat 1 is empty successfully. After then we submit the final allotment. Press 6. Enter train number 123 and show again. Enter train number 123. Here Ram's. Here Pawan seats confirmed. Thank you.